My dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. Always keep in your mind that patience is very important all every aspects in our life. Learning takes time and success does not come overnight. Especially students often face challenges such as examination, assignments, and academic pressure. As like every person faces many challenges in their life. Passions help them stay focused and continue working towards their goal. It also helps avoid frustration when they make mistakes. A patience student is more likely to learn from failure and improve gradually. Furthermore, patience helps a man to build good relationship with their friends, family, and others. Therefore, patience is an essential quality for both personal life and academic professional development. Well, now I'm going to share with you some vocabulary like focus. What is the meaning of focus? Focus means giving full attention to something. The next one is frustration. What is the meaning of frustration? Frustration means feeling upset because difficulties. Well, the next one, failures. What is the meaning of failure? Failure means lack of success. Gradually means slow over time. Then essential. What is the meaning of essential? Extremely important. Essential means extremely important. Okay, that's all for the time being. Thank you so much.